Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB.
After that, they begin to mess with your brain. I spent 5 months in solitary confinement at the DSS.
Very sad.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You see my nose, the police break out. They beat my head. But I mean that they beat, now them they sick.
Yes.
Nobody can do bad things where they do, where the person will do well too.
Yes.
One done, they don't fly one, go London now.
Every day.
No, every day they everybody. Nobody say people not be sick. But some sickness different from sickness. Some sickness now waiting you take your hand carry, now bring the sickness. Some sickness now to chop too much. Some sickness come from drinking too much alcohol, like the one in Abuja. We go mention my name the other day. We never recover. Some sickness then comes from stealing other people's lands. Some sickness comes from demolishing people's shop where they take chop. You can never be well if you do evil against your fellow human beings for so long as they are doing it. You don't need to go to church to know that. You don't need to go to mosque to know that. That one is the principle of natural justice.
Natural law.
So we are here to invite you on Monday. And the question I've been asking, this is our 8th market since yesterday. I have been asking everybody that we met, that are you saying there are no 1 million people?
More than that.
More than that.
Are you saying there are no up to 1 million people in this Abuja that can step out for a just cause?
More than that.
And if we are 1 million, you know all the security agencies in Nigeria that are not up to 1 million.
Yes.
The Nigeria police is 350,000. That is the number that they are paying salary. The real ones waiting their life now around 210,000. But you know, say police they get the highest number of ghost workers for this country. The Nigerian Army is about 150,000. DSS is 10,000. Nigerian Navy is 15,000. If you add MC Oluomo and all their people, maybe it's 500,000. We are 1 million. If 1 million people they go, nobody will wait.
Force of nature.
And that is why I came here to address you today. It has nothing to do with tribe.
Yes.
It has nothing to do with ethnicity. It has nothing to do with religion. I have said it and I will keep saying it. The only religion that I know is justice. The only ethnicity I belong to is the ethnicity of justice. The only thing that I tell people sometimes, where I don't know why there's something in my body will make me to say silent. I be Igbo person because anytime I hear Ogene music, I lose my mind. Yes. So, but on a serious note, please let's meet on Monday and march on Aso Rock. We are converging at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Unity Fountain.
Unity Fountain. But if they play any game there, we'll go pass through another place. So be prepared for that day. Carry water. Carry some granite put for pockets. Carry your friend with you. If you no get friends, carry your enemy. Drag them, say for the first time, let's go and do justice. Bring everybody with you and let's make this happen. There's going to be a peaceful protest.
Demonstration.
And we have informed them that it's going to be peaceful. And we have heard that they are planning counter protest as well. But I tell you, it's psychological engineering. Because if the real people are moving, all those ones, all the Oyezuzus, we won't do that. This when they say, Nadem go even come join us. And that day, Nadem go come sweep the floor after we finish the matter. But the most important thing is that we are bringing Nnamdi Kanu home on Monday. But one last thing I want to say is that they can make it happen before Monday. So that this weekend we could just do party. That's it. But if they don't, if common sense no day, by Monday, we will reset them for them on the streets of Abuja. And if you have anybody who is coming, because a lot of people want to come, please give them accommodation. Support them with food. Be careful for people who say they want to come. They say make you send money. Okay. But there are some of them who are on Twitter. You want to go to Abuja for send me money. Don't send money to anybody, except if they're your family member. But be kind to anybody that you can. Please let this message spread. You know what I was saying, that there's natural justice. Eh? Do you know what happened when we came here? Do you remember? The heavens opened and they wet the floor. That is the reign of freedom. Have a nice day.
This market, all the markets in Abuja should be shut down. We are fighting for justice. Person when they fight for Nana Obama plus me, outside my mama na Igbo, make una come out, make una come out, come talk. Make una come out, now they go tire. Make una don't fear. Make una come out. Yes, na me. Make una come out, come support us. This is justice for Nigeria. Yes. Both Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, we are in it together. Because tomorrow they feel hold una. Make una come out. We are fighting for all of us. You cannot release somebody who committed a crime and then hold somebody that did not commit. You give presidential pardon to criminals.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.